everyone, Olive here, and for today's video, let's do a monthly energy update for this August para sa lahat ng Leo placements. So if you have prominent Leo sa iyong Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even Saturn placements, or sa kahit saan sa iyong natal chart or natal chart or astrological chart, this video might be for you. Pwede mong gamitin ang messages na andito as a guide, warning, or advice. Ayun. Don't forget to comment anything, subscribe, like the video for as your energy exchange. And yeah, thank you so much everyone for your support and trust, lalo na sa mga repeat clients and new subscribers and followers. Let's see. Leos. O nga pala, happy Leo season. It's your time to shine, babies. What's up? What is there for you? I heard it's time. The Strength. This is your card, Leo card. I really like when the tarot cards talaga ay, doing their thing. What else? Please. Uy, 10 of Cups. 8 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles. And ayun, for other videos naman, kung hindi ka makaresonate sa iyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, or even sa Saturn placements, check mo yung other videos. Baka ando ng message for you. What else for Leo? 3 of Pentacles. Leo. 8 of Wands. Discard. Queen of Pentacles. 9 of Swords. 7 of Cups. What else? Sa ating Leo baby, 7 of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Hanged Man, 8 of Swords, and the World. Okay, let's do this. Sobrang lakas ng energy of focused and hard work dito. For some of you here, maybe merong magpapakasal or ikakasal next month or this remaining weeks of July, kung kailan nyo man siya napanood ang video na to. And because of your ability to take risks, alam mo yung masyado kang matapang alam mo yung hindi naman sa wala kang kinakatakutan, pero alam mo kasi kung ano yung gusto mo. Kaya, hindi ka nagdadalawang isip to take actions on it para kunin yun. Para makuha yung goal na yun. Isa ka din sa pinaka-hardworking na zodiac sign. Well, all of us naman. But, Leos kasi, they're known for their extravagant actions, expressions. Kaya minsan, na-attract nila yung mga intense na bagay. Not only negative ones, but also the positive ones. Pero, right now kasi for your month of August, I heard intellect. Maybe you are planning or brainstorming something that can really define your goals in career, in family. For some of you here, enjoy nyo lang yung partnership kasi meron talaga ako nakikita ang lakas ng energy of getting married, maybe for some of you nagpakasal na and just enjoying that romantic union or that partnership when it comes naman sa career. Alam mo yung parang tama ang timpla ng lahat for your August. And I can also see here there's an ending of illusion. Maybe mas nakita mo na or mas makikita mo na kung ano yung tama for you, yung mga taong very and truly sincere sa'yo. Mas magkakaroon ka na ng clarity for that, and mas magkakaroon ka din ng, alam mo yun, mas malalaman mo din sa sarili mo na, ay, eto pala yung gusto ko. Eto pala yung gusto kong sundin. Eto pala yung gusto kong gawin. And for some of you here, very magiging busy ang iyong month of August. Maybe mas hindi naman like flaunting, meaning like magyayabang ka, pero mas magiging mas magiging vocal ka, mas magiging expressive ka, mas magiging generous ka for this month. And there's also an energy of a lot of locations. Maybe you will travel a lot, mas magta-travel ka, mas dadami yung opportunities mo. Pero yun nga, kaakibat dun sa mga madaming opportunities is baka mas maguluhan ka. May time na maguluhan ka, hindi mo na alam kung ano yung uunahin mo. So better, I can see intuitively, take some notes kung ano talaga yung goal mo for the month of August. Kung gusto mo bang mag-spend ng extra time with your family, mag-spend ng extra time with your business, dapat magkaroon ka ng balancing energy for that. Pero for some of you here, hinihila talaga ako ng pentacles mo. So a lot of you here, Leos are more focused sa paglago ng career, ng negosyo, more exposure if you're a content creator or nasa limelight ka. More exposure, more contracts. For some of you here naman, kung meron mang mag-end na contract dito, meron ako nakikita na feeling mo sayang yan kasi that's your premium client or that's your premium contract. Pero may mas malaki pang darating dyan, mas may huge offer pa. Yun nga lang, magkakaroon ka ng second thoughts or magdadalawang isip ka kung tama bang i-end mo yun and tanggapin mo to. I would say it's a yes here. Tanggapin mo yung better options na medyo bago sa'yo kasi mas magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon to explore more things, to experience things. So yun, tanggapin mo yun. And do not be afraid na bumitaw dun sa nakasanayan mo na. And for some of you here, yun nga, mas maaari kang mawalan ng mga taong mahalaga sa'yo, but kapalit nun is a clarity from the illusion that this person is parang ayaw mo siyang i-cut off kasi ang tagal niyo nang magkakilala, ang tagal niyo nang nagkakausap, nagkakasama. Pero for the month of August, magkakaroon ka ng clarity that this person is not hindi siya ganun ka-connected sa'yo or hindi siya ganun ka-invested sa'yo kung paano ka nag-invest ng time, ng emotions, ng money sa kanya. So magkakaroon dito ng pag-reveal sa isang traitor or betrayal situation. So better ready your emotions when it comes to that. And after some time, there's also this energy of loneliness after ma-reveal yung truth, and that's okay. Of course, we need to feel and express our emotions rather than suppress that one para magtuloy-tuloy ang flow ng energies of your blessings. And yeah, this is your reading, Leo. Kung naka just don't forget to comment and like or subscribe, and see you on your next video.